If you're using an iPhone and thinking about getting the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, there's something important you should know before buying it. The Galaxy Fit 3 is not officially compatible with iOS, and that immediately limits pretty much everything you'd expect from a fitness tracker. While the band can technically connect through basic Bluetooth, the connection doesn't actually give you any meaningful features. You won't get notifications on your wrist, no incoming call alerts, no message previews, and no calendar reminders. None of the activity or health data, like steps, sleep tracking, or heart rate history, will sync to your iPhone. It also won't let you control music, use GPS for outdoor workouts, or change settings on the watch from your phone. All of this happens because the one app required for setup and full functionality, the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, doesn't support the Fit 3 on iOS. Even if you try to download older versions or use workarounds, the app won't detect the device. Some people online have tried pairing tricks, third-party Bluetooth tools, and even old iOS builds, but none of it allows the Fit 3 to work properly or reliably. At best, the band will pair as a simple Bluetooth device with no smart features at all, which defeats the whole purpose of owning it. So, if you're an iPhone user and want a fitness tracker that actually integrates with your phone the way it should, you're much better off choosing a device with proper iOS support. Options like Apple Watch, Fitbit, and Garmin all work smoothly with iPhones and give you full access to notifications, health tracking, customization, and reliable syncing, everything the Galaxy Fit 3 simply can't provide on iOS.